Hi guys! Today we're going to look at 3 hydroponic methods for a home gardener. My introduction to hydroponics started when I ordered this tall hydroponic grow kit. I wasn't really sure how to use it, and it came with very little instruction. There was a submersible water pump included. The nutrient-rich water is pumped out of the reservoir below. The system uses gravity to return the water to the container to be reused.
Hello? I can't hear you. Say it louder. Hello? Now I can hear.
There were a couple of leaks which I wasn't sure how to fix. The cups also seemed quite small and had large openings. I wasn't too sure about growing my plants inside the tiny sponges. As I wasn't clear how to proceed, I decided to just make a DIY box at home based on some designs from the web. I got a plastic box with a lid and a couple of sponges with corresponding 2-inch baskets. I grew my salad seedlings in soil. I also got a buoy to see the water level, but I didn't find it too useful in the end. To make nutrient-rich water, I'm using this lettuce formula together with calcium nitrate and magnesium sulfate. You just need small amounts of each for a big 25-liter container.
Now pour it. Can I do it? Yeah. Oh! Different color. Whoa! Can I go get a spoon? No.
The solution should not be exposed to light to prevent excess growth of algae. With the deep water culture method, the roots are submerged 24/7. It requires constant oxygen supply through air pumps for the plant growth. I'm going to use a timer for the air pump, which is set up to run in intervals. While some plants are doing really well, some of them are dead. One of the things that could go wrong when doing hydroponics is the pH. Nutrient solutions used for soilless culture should have a pH between 5 and 6. The pH looks good to me. So my conclusion is that the plants that were too far away from the air bubbles suffered. The oxygen from the pump is essential when doing the DWC method. I got these old sleds that are cracked and about to be thrown out. I created a template which I'm going to use to suspend the plants over the nutrient solution. I will be using a more passive method this time called Kratky. It does not require electricity or regular monitoring of roots. You can just set it and forget it and come back in 45 days for your salad. The difference with the previous method is that you need to keep a gap for the oxygen. Check out this massive root. The roots sitting in the air gap are called air roots. This experiment gave us some lovely juicy tender salad. Let me know in the comments if you tried any of these hydroponic methods and how you like them. I got my next batch of salads coming, this time using only the Kratky method. Thanks for watching and see you next time.